Hey guys, so if my camera falls, I'm sorry. And if I sound like quiet, it's because I just got out of work and I'm tired. I have a headache, like a huge motherfucking headache. And I was like, you know what? Let me film for my people. So today I'm gonna be eating I think it's called like the pumpkin something muffin, whatever the fuck you guys know. It has cream cheese in the middle. And I got a double chocolate frap. So, and this video is gonna be quick because I gotta go to class. That's cream cheese. And there's someone next to me. And he probably thinks I'm a psycho. Y'all need to get the double chocolate frap. The double chocolate frap from Starbucks. I feel like we haven't had a one-on-one. I really missed this. I honestly don't know, like, this is so fucking good. I honestly don't know how I'm even, like, how can I help you? You want to come out of my video? Fuck you. I'm just tired. I don't even know what I'm saying. My headache, I have a huge headache, and I know chocolate doesn't go well with headaches, but and this is a tall. It's like the smallest one. If you're wondering why my pinky is purple, since I'm so tired, I honestly didn't pay attention. And it was something about polio, like supporting it. And polio, it's like a disease that if you don't get to it quick, I think it paralyzes your legs or you lose your legs. I don't know. Search it up, polio. And yeah. I'm not like a PSL person because I hate coffee. But damn, this shit's fucking good. Last bite. That was so good. And I'm looking over there because a friend just passed by, and I'm pretty sure she saw me eating in front of a camera, and she's like, wow, this guy has lost it. I wish YouTubers had like like a sticker or sign that says, I don't know, recording, fuck off, don't stare, or you will be recorded. Wouldn't that be awesome? Because I'm pretty sure that when people see me, they think I escaped an asylum, or they think I'm motherfucking mental. You see, she's looking because that's the girl. Pass again, girl. Because people want to come out of my video. This shit is so good. Maybe I needed sugar, because my headache went away. I thought it was the same person. I was supposed to be like, I was about to get my fucking camera and put it on her. Guys, I missed you. I missed eating like a fat ass in front of a camera. I have so many videos to edit. When I do these car ones, it's in and out. Literally, like in and out. So, yeah. I'm sorry this video is gonna be super short, but I go to class in like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, so I'm gonna bounce in a bit. But yeah, I don't know, guys. Like sometimes you guys are gonna think I'm gonna have a breakdown or I'm fucking crazy. But sometimes, I'm sorry, I'm looking everywhere. I'm a paranoid fuck. Sometimes I really think of you guys. Like, I've built a connection, a family. Like, it's just really fucking awesome. And a lot of people are like, that's the reason why I want to start YouTube. Hello, girl. That's the reason why I want to start YouTube, like, to build that connection and a family. And it just drives me insane that, how do I say this? Like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna look over here because I don't know if there's people. It just drives me insane how what I love doing, like making videos, and thousands of you guys see it. Like, it's crazy. So, I think I'm gonna get going, guys, because if I don't go in early, someone will steal my seat and someone will be mad. And yeah, alright, guys, well, I fucking love you guys so much. Thanks for all the amazing support you guys give me. Obviously these videos are gonna be posted daily, and I know some of you guys are gonna I'm laughing because these guys are looking at me. Hello. I know some of you guys are gonna be some of you guys are gonna get mad like, oh, what about your diet, whatever. I needed this. I was in a diet. I felt like I was dying. I felt like I was one of those things in The Walking Dead, literally. I couldn't. Right now I'm more alive. I feel it. I think I need the sugar. So I'm just ranting. I'm just, oh my god, my friend, I'm just ranting. So embarrassing. The girl that fucking passed by, my friend, saw me recording. She just passed by again. So yeah. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go because I gotta get to class. I love you guys so much. Make sure to go watch all my motherfucking videos. And give this a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.